Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us for this Coronavirus HQ update. I'm Tyler Job. We begin with the latest COVID-19 numbers in Wisconsin. 494 new cases are being reported, but no new deaths. 28,670 people have recovered from the virus, which accounts for about 78% of all cases in the state. There are 15 new cases in La Crosse County and 2 new cases in Eau Claire County. New cases are also being reported in Buffalo, Jackson, Monroe, and Trempealeau counties. Well, with the recent increase in cases in La Crosse County, the health department is busy trying to contact anyone who could have been exposed, but the department says it's had some difficulty getting a hold of people.
We could have a million contact tracers and investigators, and if people are not answering their phone, we're still not going to be able to make that connection.
The department says many people have ignored their calls or don't have a voicemail inbox. Lakowski says just like many people, she also doesn't like to answer unknown numbers, but she's asking people to step out of their comfort zone and pick up the phone. Contact tracers do leave messages, so the department is asking people to be proactive and make sure their voicemail is set up and not full. In Minnesota, the state is reporting 403 new cases of COVID-19. There are now more than 43,100 positive cases in total. 6 additional deaths are being reported, and Winona County is reporting 3 new cases. And in Iowa, more than 35,800 people have tested positive for COVID-19. 2 additional deaths are being reported, and a little more than 27,900 people have recovered. California is reimposing restrictions after the state reported more than 8,300 new coronavirus cases yesterday. In the past 2 weeks, California had more than 110,000 new cases. More states are likely to follow. Danya Backus has the latest from Los Angeles.
Just over 1 month after reopening several sectors of its economy, California is shutting down parts of it again amid rising coronavirus cases and deaths.
A week or so ago, I was reporting just 6 lives lost, and then a few days later, well in excess of 100 lives lost.
Governor Gavin Newsom announced gyms, churches, and hair salons would be among those forced to close in 29 California counties, while bars, indoor restaurants, and movie theaters will all close across the entire state. Jamie Zobrist is a salon owner thinking about defying the order.
I don't even know, I have no words right now. Like, are we supposed to stay at home for 7 years?
The state's 2 largest school districts, San Diego and Los Angeles, which together enroll more than 800,000 students, announced they will not return to the classroom and begin the school year with online learning. In Florida, more than 8,000 people are hospitalized with the virus.
Miami is now the epicenter of the pandemic. What we were seeing in Wuhan 6 months ago, 5 months ago, now we are there.
And in Arizona, 1 out of every 4 people tested is positive.
Can't blow out the candle.
On CBS This Morning, Bill Nye the Science Guy demonstrated the effectiveness of different masks in stopping the spread of the virus.
A mask keeps particles from getting in the air to infect other people.
And he says if the nose is exposed, it's the same as not wearing a mask. Danya Backus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
This morning, the long-term care industry sent a letter to the National Governors Association warning states of imminent outbreaks at nursing homes and assisted living centers, given the major spikes in new cases, combined with PPE shortages and testing delays. Thank you so much for joining us for this coronavirus update. We hope you can join us tonight at 5, 6, and 10.